Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nail Art. Let's start it. Basic coat is a clear polish that is applied before you paint your nails. It is important to apply base coat especially to you to how to paint your nails frequently. Because nail polish contains chemicals and a base coat will protect your nails from chipping and drying. It also keeps your nails healthy. After painting your nails, you need to apply the top coat to your nails. Coat is also to a clear polish, but the function is to seal your nails start. So your nail art will be started longer. So cleaners is already needed to when doing nail art. There are a survival type to a cleaners with different functions. The first one is a nail polish removed. It is used when you are going to erase all. The nail polish on your nails. Nail polish remove is usually icon, but is a trend to make your nails chip. So better to use a non-exacting nail polish remove to avoid this problem. The second one is a nail polish coating pen. It is like a marker that contains nail polish removed in its body. There are also the tip where is you are changing it is on a longer can be used. The way to use this pen is by interesting the tips and presses down a unit. The tip is shocked with nail polish remove. This pen is already useful to other small mistakes around nail base.